Here on T2 Biosystems stock, ticker is TTOO. It's at 24 cents now currently at the time of this video. It's up 54% today. It's up another 20% here after hours, sitting at 29 cents after hours. It was 24 cents during the normal trading hours. 29 cents after hours here, 265 million in trading volume specifically, you guys. Absolutely insane day here for TTO. We can see here it was the most heavily traded stock on the market today of 54%. And I made a video, I believe, 2 weeks ago or so. TTO was at 10 cents here. You can see this video 13 days ago. TTO stock preparing for another bull run. Bullish news on T2 Biosystems stock, and that was at 10 cents. We are sitting here today at 29 cents. Let me know in the comments below if you guys, got a part of, maybe, took an interest in TTO stock when I made that first video, and I've seen some profits now. But I just want to go over two pieces of news articles here that are giving reasons why TTO Biosystems is going crazy today specifically. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Yeah, let's get right into it. So GSA Capital Partners acquired a stake in T2 Biosystems. This was from Monday. This was news from Monday. On July 7th, this was back here on July 7th. So on July 7th, GSA Capital Partners, Atlanta-based investment firm, added 799,000 shares of T2 Biosystems. This article provides in-depth analysis of the transaction. So this isn't the reason why this stock is running up high today, but this is very interesting here. GSA Capital, here's some of their holdings as well. They have holdings, part of Hilton Worldwide Holdings, Activision, BJ's Wholesale Club Holdings, some major companies, Advanced Auto Parts as well. So they have a massive, they're a huge investment firm, obviously, in their portfolio. Contains some pretty massive companies, right? The firm equity stands at 1.01 billion. So definitely interesting here to see GSA Capital Partners acquire a stake in T2 Biosystems. But the main news and reasoning why T2 Biosystems is flying up today is that it did get a NASDAQ extension. So T2 Biosystems stock is up today. This was yesterday, but more specifically ending yesterday, going into today. It has till November 20th now to get back to above $1 in price, which is the NASDAQ compliance. I think it needs to trade at above $1 for like 120 days. So T2 will need to sustain a share price of $1 as well as a market cap of 35 million. 35 million for 10 straight days in order to remain listed on the index. 10 straight days. Additionally, a recently disclosed transaction shows that GSA Capital Partners purchased about 800,000 shares of T2 earlier in July. So T2 Biosystems enjoying a strong day in the markets. On news, it does receive an extension. It says T2 announced that the NASDAQ has given diagnostics company until November 20th to comply with the index $1 per share minimum bid price. By the November deadline, T2 will need to attain a market cap XYZ of 35 million. If you recall, T2 first received notice to fail to satisfy at least one NASDAQ listing requirement back in March. As it stands, TTO is trading at 16 cents. So this article came out, it was trading at 16 cents, now at 29 cents here. Absolutely massive day here for T2. According to T2, the company will potentially be forced to enact a reverse stock split as a means of artificially raising its share price to $1. Obviously, the GSA stake has some significant interest here as well, and is playing somewhat of a role here in the stock's climb today. But nonetheless, very interesting here. I mean, we take a look here at T2 Biosystems stock as a whole. We take a look at the last year or so for T2. I mean, this is a stock here that was trading at above $1 at $2.07 here at the beginning of the year. And even if we take a look at the last 2 years, not even that long ago, back in 2022, April was trading at $29. So when, again, there's a very green market around that time, in my opinion, in general. But nonetheless, some very significant interest here in T2 Biosystems, TTO stock. Massive trading volume today, like absolutely insane trading volume. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about T2. Second video here made on this. Drop a like on this video. Hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.